Unfortunately, my family, my wife and I and our kids and our community were hit with a devastating tornado that passed through.
An EF3 tornado had come through our community of Dunrobin, and we lost our home and almost all of its contents.
I remember that day we did have a power outage here at the production facility. We did have some small damage and cleanup to do in the yard. Fortunately, we didn't have any of our employees either directly impacted, but we did recognize that there was a huge impact in our community and we needed to step up and do something.
Mario Fowler really had a desire on behalf of the plant and his people here to do more.
We put together a group of employees and went out and did some cleanup. I did do some research to try to find a nonprofit organization that we could work with to try to help with some donations of product somehow.
We worked with an organization called West Carleton Disaster Relief through the West Carleton Food Center, and we connected with a great guy there named Greg.
When Mario approached me, I realized that this could be a very, very good match.
Greg reached back out and said, I have a deserving family who would really benefit from the generosity that you're offering with your products.
We were very shocked when we received an email from West Carleton Disaster Relief indicating that our family had been identified as somebody that Saint-Gobain could help.
This is a family that initially was looking at what they had to do and having no idea on how they were going to actually pull this off.
There's been a lot of corporations like this one that reached out right at the very start and said, what can we do to help? I think it's amazing to see companies pull together and use their resources, use their knowledge, their engineering in order to be able to support communities.
One of my beliefs is that one of the reasons corporations should exist is to help make lives better for people. We have a lot of resources. Through those resources, there are so many things that we can leverage to be more efficient and more effective in community efforts.
You guys create material. You are creating comfort for humans, and I have realized in the last year just how important being comfortable is and how challenging it is to be uncomfortable.
Corporations are mainly built of individuals. We're all individuals here just trying to make a living, trying to make a good life for our family, and I really strongly feel we have that responsibility as individuals and corporations to look after each other and do what we can for each other.
In order for our society to succeed as a whole, I think we all need to band together and we all need to support each other. And if a corporation or organization has something that they could give, there is always a recipient somewhere.